Most car buyers think they can judge reliability by looking at a vehicle's reputation or sticker price. But what if I told you that most cars on dealer lots today will drain your wallet with repair bills within the first few years? Cars that look perfect in the showroom, but quickly turn into money pits in your driveway. In this video, we've got the 20 most reliable cars you can buy right now, ranked from bottom to top based on Consumer Reports analysis of over 300,000 real vehicles. And trust me, some of these choices will absolutely shock you. From engines that fail prematurely to transmissions that leave you stranded, most cars are loaded with reliability problems that'll cost you thousands in unexpected repairs. The number one car on this list is so reliable, owners regularly report driving over 200,000 miles with nothing but routine maintenance. Stick with me to the end, because this isn't just a ranking. It's a buyer's guide to cars you'll never regret owning. Miss this, and you could end up with a beautiful car that becomes your biggest financial mistake. Let's count down the 20 most reliable cars you can buy today, ranked by their predicted reliability scores and real-world owner experiences. These aren't theoretical picks. They're backed by hard data from hundreds of thousands of drivers just like you. Number 20, Mazda CX-5. Starting our countdown is the Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that proves you don't need to sacrifice driving pleasure for reliability. This vehicle consistently ranks above average in Consumer Reports surveys, with owners reporting fewer problems across all major systems. The CX-5's naturally aspirated engine avoids the complexity that plagues many turbocharged competitors, and its transmission has proven bulletproof across multiple generations. What sets it apart is Mazda's attention to detail in manufacturing. They've refined this platform for years, working out the bugs that typically plague newer designs. Number 19, Lexus ES. The Lexus ES represents luxury without the typical luxury car headaches. Built on Toyota's proven Camry platform, but elevated with premium materials and quieter engineering, the ES delivers reliability scores that put many economy cars to shame. Owners report exceptional longevity from the powertrain, with many examples crossing 200,000 miles without major issues. The key here is Toyota's conservative approach to luxury. They don't chase the latest technology trends that often create reliability problems down the road. Number 18, Honda CR-V. Honda's CR-V has been America's best-selling SUV for years, and that popularity isn't just about marketing. It's earned through consistent performance. The current generation has addressed the oil dilution issues that plagued earlier turbo models, returning to Honda's reputation for bulletproof reliability. Owners consistently report above-average experiences across all trouble areas Consumer Reports tracks. The CR-V's resale value alone tells you everything you need to know about its long-term dependability. Number 17, Honda Accord. The Honda Accord continues to set the standard for midsize sedan reliability. Even with its transition to turbocharged engines, Honda has maintained the dependability that made previous generations legendary. The 2025 model year represents years of refinement, with early reliability concerns addressed through engineering improvements. Accord owners report satisfaction rates that exceed most luxury brands, proving that reliability and refinement can coexist in an affordable package. Number 16, Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Here's where hybrid technology meets three-row practicality without compromising reliability. The Highlander Hybrid's powertrain combines Toyota's proven hybrid system with their dependable V6 engine architecture. Families choosing this vehicle rarely face the electrical gremlins that plague other hybrid SUVs. Toyota's hybrid expertise, developed over decades with the Prius, translates into a large SUV that delivers both fuel efficiency and the peace of mind that comes with proven technology. Number 15, Subaru Impreza. The Subaru Impreza earns its reliability reputation through engineering simplicity and all-wheel drive capability that doesn't sacrifice dependability. Unlike many competitors who treat all-wheel drive as an add-on, Subaru has perfected their system through decades of refinement. Impreza owners report well above average reliability across Consumer Reports survey categories. The key advantage here is Subaru's focus on mechanical systems over complex electronics, resulting in a car that keeps running when others might leave you stranded. Number 14, Toyota Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry has spent decades earning its reputation as the reliable choice in midsize sedans. The current generation maintains that tradition while adding modern features and improved performance. Camry owners consistently report fewer problems than the segment average, with particular strength in engine and transmission reliability. What makes the Camry special is Toyota's systematic approach to improvement. Each generation builds on proven foundations rather than chasing radical redesigns that introduce new problems. Number 13. Subaru Forester. Subaru's Forester combines practical SUV capability with reliability scores that put it among the best in any category. The naturally aspirated engine avoids turbocharger complexity while still delivering adequate power for most drivers. Forester owners report well above average reliability, with particular strength in drivetrain and electrical systems. The vehicle's boxy design isn't just about aesthetics. It reflects Subaru's engineering priorities of function over form, resulting in an SUV that simply works year after year. This is exactly the kind of dependability that smart car buyers prioritize. And if you're finding this countdown helpful for your next vehicle decision, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our deep dives into the automotive market's best values. Number 12. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek proves that small SUVs can deliver big reliability. This subcompact SUV consistently earns above-average ratings from Consumer Reports, with owners praising its trouble-free operation across all major systems. The Crosstrek's ground clearance and all-wheel drive capability don't come at the expense of dependability like they do with many competitors. What you're getting here is Subaru's commitment to engineering durability into every component, from the drivetrain to the electrical systems. Number 11. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius might not win any beauty contests, but it absolutely dominates reliability rankings among hybrid vehicles. With over 2 decades of hybrid development behind it, Toyota has worked out virtually every bug that could plague a gas-electric powertrain. Prius owners report exceptional longevity, with many examples exceeding 300,000 miles on original hybrid batteries. The secret is Toyota's conservative approach to hybrid technology. They perfect systems before implementing them, rather than rushing to market with unproven tech. Number 10. Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Breaking into our top 10 is the Toyota Corolla Hybrid, which combines the legendary reliability of the Corolla nameplate with Toyota's proven hybrid technology. This combination creates a compact sedan that delivers exceptional fuel economy without the reliability concerns that plague many hybrid systems. Corolla Hybrid owners report satisfaction rates that exceed most luxury vehicles, proving that reliability doesn't require a premium price tag. The key here is Toyota's systematic approach to hybrid integration. They don't add complexity for its own sake. Number 9. Lexus NX Hybrid. The Lexus NX Hybrid represents the sweet spot between luxury features and Toyota-level reliability. Built on proven hybrid technology and wrapped in premium materials, this compact luxury SUV delivers dependability that puts many economy cars to shame. NX Hybrid owners report fewer problems across all major categories, with particular strength in powertrain and electrical systems. What you're paying for isn't just luxury, it's the peace of mind that comes with Toyota's engineering excellence executed at the premium level. Number 8. Lexus NX. Even without hybrid power, the standard Lexus NX earns its place in our top 10 through consistent reliability across all measured categories. The naturally aspirated engine option avoids the turbocharger complexity that creates problems in competing luxury SUVs. NX owners report satisfaction levels that justify the premium price through reduced repair costs and exceptional longevity. This is luxury vehicle ownership without the typical luxury vehicle headaches. Number 7. Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. The Hyundai Elantra Hybrid proves that Korean engineering has reached new heights of dependability. With a reliability score of 79 out of 100, this compact sedan hybrid challenges the assumption that only Japanese brands can deliver trouble-free hybrid systems. Elantra Hybrid owners report above-average experiences across all major categories, with particular strength in powertrain reliability. What makes this achievement remarkable is how quickly Hyundai has improved their reliability reputation. This isn't luck, its systematic engineering improvement. Number 6. BMW i4. Surprising many traditional reliability watchers, the BMW i4 electric sedan earns its place through exceptional build quality and the inherent simplicity of electric powertrains. With a reliability score of 83, this premium electric vehicle proves that luxury and dependability can coexist in the EV space. i4 owners report fewer problems than most conventional luxury sedans, benefiting from BMW's meticulous approach to electric vehicle engineering. The absence of traditional mechanical systems eliminates many common failure points, resulting in a luxury EV that simply works. Number 5. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid combines America's most popular SUV platform with Toyota's proven hybrid technology, creating a combination that scores 83 out of 100 for reliability. This isn't just about fuel economy. It's about delivering SUV capability without sacrificing the dependability that RAV4 buyers expect. Owners report exceptional satisfaction across all categories, with the hybrid system adding efficiency without introducing reliability concerns. The RAV4 Hybrid represents Toyota at its best, taking proven technology and making it even better. Number 4. Mazda MX-5. Here's where our countdown takes an interesting turn. The Mazda MX-5 sports car earns its spot through pure engineering excellence. With a reliability score of 84, this rear-wheel drive roadster proves that driving excitement doesn't require reliability compromises. MX-5 owners report fewer problems than drivers of much more conservative vehicles, benefiting from Mazda's focus on lightweight, naturally aspirated engineering. The secret is simplicity. While other sports cars chase complex technology, the MX-5 perfects the basics. Number 3. Toyota RAV4 PHEV. The Toyota RAV4 Prime Plug-in Hybrid takes everything great about the standard RAV4 and adds electric-only capability without sacrificing reliability. Scoring 84 out of 100, this isn't just the most capable RAV4, it's also among the most dependable. Owners get the flexibility of electric driving for daily commutes, plus the security of hybrid operation for longer trips, all backed by Toyota's systematic approach to powertrain integration. The RAV4 Prime proves that cutting-edge capability and old-school reliability aren't mutually exclusive. Number 2. Toyota Corolla. In second place, we have the vehicle that defines automotive reliability, the Toyota Corolla. With a score of 84 out of 100, the Corolla continues its decades-long tradition of simply refusing to break down. Corolla owners report exceptional satisfaction across every category Consumer Reports measures, from engine and transmission reliability to electrical system performance. What makes the Corolla special isn't flashy technology. It's Toyota's relentless focus on getting the fundamentals right year after year, generation after generation. But here's what's fascinating about our number 1 pick. It's not what most reliability experts would have predicted just a few years ago. The vehicle claiming the top spot represents a perfect storm of engineering excellence, manufacturing quality, and real-world durability that's creating a new benchmark for automotive dependability. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. Taking the top spot with a remarkable reliability score of 86 out of 100 is the Toyota RAV4. This compact SUV has achieved something extraordinary. It's simultaneously America's best-selling SUV and its most reliable. RAV4 owners report fewer problems across every major system than virtually any other vehicle on the market. The secret isn't complex technology or premium materials. It's Toyota's systematic approach to continuous improvement, building each generation on proven foundations while methodically addressing any weaknesses discovered in real-world use. What makes the RAV4's achievement even more impressive is how it maintains this reliability while delivering the capability and features that modern SUV buyers demand. All-wheel drive systems that actually work, adequate power for highway driving, and interior space that handles family duties, all without sacrificing the dependability that puts RAV4 owners among the most satisfied vehicle buyers in America. The RAV4's reliability advantage isn't just about avoiding repairs, it's about resale value, reduced ownership costs, and the confidence that comes from driving a vehicle engineered to last. When Consumer Reports analyzed over 300,000 vehicles across 20 different trouble categories, the RAV4 consistently performed at the top of its class and often exceeded the performance of vehicles costing twice as much. Now, while we've just covered 20 cars that'll give you years of trouble-free driving, there's a perfect example of what happens when you choose style over substance. If you want to see the complete opposite of everything we just discussed, check out our video on Why It Sucks to Own a Range Rover, where we break down exactly how one of the most desirable SUVs on the market can become your biggest automotive nightmare. You'll discover why some owners are paying more in repairs than their monthly car payments, and it's a perfect reminder of why the reliable choices we just covered are actually the smart money moves.